Hi California boaters, before getting underway, here are some reminders for you to make sure your boating experience is clean, green, safe, and fun. First of all, make sure you check the latest state and regional guidelines for outdoor recreation, social distancing, and face covering. Also, check the weather before each of your boating trips. In addition, it is important that you file a float plan before each of your trips and share them with your family and friend in case of an emergency. Once you're safely back, make sure you cancel that float plan. Make sure you have the right safety equipment on board. Download the free safety kit from the Coast Guard Auxiliary and the Power Squadron. Inspect your life jacket. Make sure that it's in serviceable condition and is the right one for you and for all the members on your boat, including children. For more safe boating information, visit boatcalifornia.com. Take a safe boating course and also get your California Boater Card. For more information, visit californiaboatercard.com. Make sure you know the pollution prevention services in the areas you're planning to visit. For participating pump out, dump stations, and floating restrooms, download the free Pump Out Nav app. Make sure you also have on board oil absorbents and in your bilge to prevent oily discharges, and also make sure that you always use pollution prevention tools such as this fuel bib to prevent fuel discharges. Once they are fully saturated, don't put them in the trash. You need to properly dispose of them at your county household hazardous waste collection center. For more information, visit earth911.com. Also, make sure you pack your food and beverages using reusable items such as your tote bag or your water bottle, including also your reusable utensils. Say no to single-use disposable items, including straws and stirrers. If you want to receive our California Boater Kit, which is a comprehensive clean and safe boating packet with some oil absorbents, the fuel bib, the ABCs of boating law, among other information, make sure you visit this link, take our 2-minute questionnaire, and we'll send it to you for free. Thank you for being good stewards of the environment. Happy boating.